Let me explain this concept from two different angles. How you can stop negative thoughts. See, first you have to understand that why you are having exactly negative thoughts. Any and every event, which happens in our life, it actually makes an impression in our mind. Now, events basically which happens in your life, you can divide them into two categories. One are basically the minor events or minor influence, and second basically are, you can say, major influence or major event. So for example, let's say you take a train journey from point 1 to point 2 or station A to station B, and let's say you spend around 5 hours inside the train journey, and let's say you meet 4 or 5 people in the train journey from in 5 hours. Now, if they do not basically have any impact in your mind, or you don't feel basically anything different, so what happens? Chances are there after some time basically you will forget all those 5 interactions with the 5 different people. But let us say there is some person basically who has got great influence or great impact on your mind or on your thought process. So basically you remember that person or that event. Likewise, in our mind, there are so many events basically or so many people you meet, and the first category basically are the general one, like they are nothing special, they're minor influence, minor event. So those things basically don't form an impression on your mind, or even if they form an impression, it is very minute, so you don't remember that. Now second kind of event basically which are really a major one, or they actually really impacted your emotions, they actually started having impact. Now if those events basically are negative, you start thinking about them again and again and again, and that basically impression becoming more deeper and deeper and deeper, and those thoughts basically started disturbing you. Now many people basically intellectually basically people can take certain actions which can divert the mind, and they can give you some temporary solutions. So for example, some people start going for yoga, or for some pilates, or for some for example some swimming, or some physical activity exercises which release the stress hormones. So for temporarily, what will happen that when you go for yoga class or you go for some physical exercise class, you will come out of it, you will feel little bit better because you release some stress hormones. But that situation is not going away, that negative thought will not go away, because still basically following you. It's right inside your mind because it has made a deep impression on your mind. Likewise, some people can try some pranayama. It can help you again temporarily. Some people basically can go for watching movies and all. It can help you temporarily. Or let's say you start going for traveling or meeting some friends. Again, it will help you, but temporarily. The only way, permanent solution to get rid of negative thoughts is that you have to get that layer of impurity out of your mind. That's the only way out. That's the only permanent solution. Because what happened, there are so many layers in our mind, so many layers of impurities. When you start meditating, each layer after layer after layer, they start coming up and then evaporated. The impurities come up and evaporated. So someday basically it will happen, you won't even realize you're meditating. This layer basically of impurity will come up, these negative thoughts will come up, and you will observe and it will go away. And then basically it will happen, these negative thoughts will not bother you anymore. But till that time, temporary actions are still important basically, because still you are not reached to that level where you can take the impurities out of your mind. At least these temporary actions are very important. Yoga or physical exercise or pranayama or any other intellectual therapy you're taking, but they are temporary measures, not the permanent one. I will put a link of a guided meditation in the description link. You can try that. And if you have any other further queries, you can write in the comment sections. I will reply that. If you find the video informative, feel free to share it with your friends or family members so it can help them as well. Thank you very much for watching it.